This is a 24-inch Brizzle 360. If you guys can see it, we're gonna change that out. We're gonna put a little how many inches?
12 inches.
We're gonna put a 12 inches. How many was that? 36 inches?
24.
24 inches to a 12 inches. That's what she said. So we're gonna go ahead and put this little brush. This one's perfect for the rock formation. If you have any kind of rocks set up in your facility, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is perfect for the round Bajas. If you guys can see it, it was all there. Now we're gonna go to the rock formation part, and this is how well it works, all right? So on the rock part, go ahead underneath the rocks. If you guys can see it, this is the hardest part to scrub out of to get the algae or anything that's growing in there. So the Brizzle's doing a good job, because either way you could form it either way. Oh, they're competing, these two, for attention. Now we're going to do the seat. So if you guys have a rock formation here similar to this, there's a lot of debris that go underneath, a lot of things underneath these structures. These Brizzles are perfect for that. So like this rock underneath this rock, look at this. This is a perfect brush for those kind of scenarios. A combination of your Brizzle and also your robot, you can keep your pool maintained really clean for the next event, especially during the winter vacations, where a lot of people don't have a lot of events in the water and a lot of algae grows in here, especially during this time that not that much activity goes on in this, or you don't even turn on your pumps. You could do double diligence by having your robot do the cleaning and your second robot doing the second cleaning. Your human robot.